Okay, my friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I have 3 new products from the drugstore here that I am going to use on my face today. So first, I have the Revlon Photo Ready Instant Plum Serum for your lip. So let me try some of this on my lip before I started. Yeah, so this is it here. They say plump your lip, but I don't sure about that. Okay, so this is the Revlon Instant Photo Ready Plump Lip Serum here. So I also have this here, and I don't have on any primer right now, you guys. So I'm just gonna try it to my face. And then I have here the Revlon Photo Ready Lift and Fill Skin Tint, and mine is in 150. So I'm gonna try this also out on my face. It's a tinted foundation, tinted moisturizer, or whatever it is, but this is what I'm going to try on my face here. So it come here with a little top here, and I'm gonna like put some on the back of my hand here. This one looks very light. I'm not sure about it, and it's very thick. Yeah, this one, and you know, funny thing, because when I was picking this up, I thought, okay, this one is the right one. The other one that I saw there was mostly too dark. So, and then you see, it is like, it's a little bit lighter for my skin here. I'm not sure. Some of these tinted moisturizer, some of them I like to use, some of them, but some of them I'm not sure about it. Like this one, it's a little bit light for my skin, but you know what? I already bought it. I'm just gonna try it out. I don't have any primer on my face. It's just this I am applying to the face with some serum and not primer, moisturizer. Sorry, I don't have on any primer on my face. So this is how it look on my skin here. Very light, very light, very easy to blend out here. And you can see how light it is. Like, this is something that is really good for the summer, especially when the time is really humid and hot. This is something that is so good for the summer here. So I already say that it is very light, but it's not just light on your skin, but it's also light. It's a light blend um, tinted lift. I don't know if it's lift. What they said it's lift. If it's gonna lift my face, I don't know, but let's yes, you guys. So I'm just like blending it out on my skin here. And this is something, the thing about it's why I find out though, it has a really it have a strong scent. Like, you know, it smell not so good to me. Like, you know, when you have a product for a long time and you have it put away, like a foundation and you have it put away, it give me that, really, that scent of like, you know. So this is how it look, you guys, and to my face. So I am going to set my under eye with some powder. I'm not going to really use any concealer. So this is the powder I'm gonna use, the Fit Me powder. I love this powder, you guys. It does really really look good under your under eye. So this is what and you can see here, it's looking not bad. I mean, just that it's a very light, very light product for your face. Very light. And you can see here. So I am also going to just put a little bit of this. So this is also new in the drugstore, and this is the Maybelline Color Pop Cheek Lip Mousse. So you can use on it cheap. your cheek, and it can go also on your lip. So I'm gonna add a little bit to my cheek here, Ooh, and it's very pigmented, my friend. OMG, this is so pigmented, like really, really pigmented. And I'm gonna apply a little bit of it on my eyes also to use this as a eyeshadow. Look at this. It is so really pigmented. But it's very pretty. I really like this. It's so pretty. So, and then I'm just gonna add a little bit of this powder to help to tame it down. Like, you know, it's on my cheek. Just add a little bit of this powder here. And I'm using the same brush. Why not? I'm using this brush and I'm gonna use it to just tame down it. So I'm also gonna try this on my lip also, you guys. I'm gonna try this on my lips. I'm gonna try it on my eyes. I'm just gonna put a bit of this on my eyes here. And then I am also the same thing here that I use. I'm just gonna add a small amount of it on my eyes here. And look at this. You can see how pigmented this is. So I'm gonna use it also as an eyeshadow for my eyes here. It's pretty. Just a bit of it on my eyes. Just a bit of it on my eyes. Just a bit of it on my eyes there. And I'm also going to add a bit of it on my lip. I'm going to add a bit of this on my lip also, you guys. I said it can go on your lip. So let's see if it can work for... And it's also pretty. I like it on the lip also. Look at this, it's so pretty. And then still add some more to the eyes. Okay, guys, so I am going to come back. This is my face with this foundation, and it's in 150, and it's the Revlon Photo Ready foundation. So I'm going to read a little bit of what it said here. I know I don't have on my glasses, but I'm going to read a little bit. And this is how my face look. It's very light. It's a very, very light tinted foundation, and this is good for the summer. Like, for instance, if the sometime this summer is humid and you want to wear a small amount of makeup, I think this is something that you could go with, and you know, for the day. But it also said here, it said Revlon Photo Ready Lift and Fill Skin Tint Foundation with Anti-Aging Skin. It also said in just 2 weeks, skin appear visibly firm and fill in. It said plus reduce the appearance of fine line and anti-wrinkle in just 4 weeks. So they say, oh my God, they said this can help to reduce fine lines in just 4 weeks. So this is my face here. And I really like it. For me, it's light. It's easy to blend out. I use a brush. It depends on what you want to use, but I do use a brush. This is also something that I did apply to my lip. These are also new in the drugstore, and this is also the Revlon Photo Ready Instant Plump Serum. So I tried this out. You see, I tried it out, and I have a shorts and this where I do try it out. This one here, and then I also try out this now. This is the Maybelline Color Tapping, and this is for cheek and lips. So today I'm wearing it on my cheek, I'm wearing it on my lips, and also wearing it on my eyes. So this is what it is, you guys. It's like a mousse, but it's also like a blush. You can see it look really pretty on the lip. So I am just going to just apply a little bit of this tinted this serum on my lip to give me that shine, and see if I can get some plump from it. But the thing with this has a little bit of burning sensation once you apply it to your lips. So, and I feel more than less because it burns, so that would allow your lip to plump. But this is me. 3 product I try out today, you guys that are new in the drugstore. And I just want to say thank you so much again for watching. God bless you. Stay blessed, stay beautiful as always, and I will see you in my next Apollo. Bye for now.